Welcome to today's video where we'll take you through the process of decorating a modern media room using a variety of components that will elevate your entertainment space to the next level. Whether you're a movie buff or a gaming enthusiast, these ideas will help you create the ultimate media room. First, let's talk about the layout. Consider the placement of your seating and the large screen or projector. Make sure everyone has a great view. Comfortable seating is key. Here, we've chosen plush recliners for a cozy cinema vibe. Next up, audio and visual elements. A surround sound system and strategically placed built-in speakers create an immersive experience. Ensure the screen is the focal point, and consider a home theater screen frame for that cinematic touch. Lighting is crucial. LED lighting can set the mood, while acoustic panels improve sound quality. Combine these elements to create a dynamic and comfortable atmosphere. Organization is key in a media room. Install media storage shelves to keep your DVDs and games tidy. Cable management systems will keep those wires out of sight. Now, let's focus on comfort and design. Blackout curtains or blinds control natural light. Choose media room decor that suits your style, enhancing the room's theme and personality. Integrate technology seamlessly with an AV rack. Create a dedicated game console station for gaming enthusiasts. A wall-mounted display adds versatility to your entertainment options. Don't forget temperature control. An HVAC system ensures the room is comfortable during long viewing sessions, making it a true haven for relaxation. For the ultimate cinematic experience, consider a screen masking system that adjusts the screen's aspect ratio. Soundproofing materials help minimize noise transfer to other rooms. And there you have it, modern media room ideas using these fantastic components. Remember to plan your layout, prioritize audio and visual quality, optimize lighting, and keep things organized and comfortable. The result will be a media room that you, your family, and your friends will love spending time in. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!